Brush cutters. Simple, durable, and effective. These versatile tools are designed to tackle a wide variety of land management tasks. Let's take a couple minutes to dive deeper into what makes Diamond skid steer brush cutters the best on the market. We'll also cover what to keep in mind during the decision process of which brush cutter you should pair with your skid steer or compact track loader. Brush cutters are the multi-tool of the attachment world. They're when you need it and they just get the job done. The open front design allows Diamond's brush cutters to mow grass and provide a good finish on brush. The push bars allow you to safely cut trees, reducing the need for dangerous chainsaw work. While a finish mower will provide a more manicured look and a mulcher will handle larger trees, Diamond brush cutters are designed to handle all these applications. They are also multi-purpose in that they can be used for several jobs and by several different types of users, the most common being landowners. From small acreages and hobby farms to recreational hunting properties and large commercial ag producers, these customers will generally expect a brush cutter to handle a wide variety of vegetation. Additionally, a lot of businesses profitably put these attachments to work every day. A few examples include prepping a job site for trenching and utilities, maintaining right-of-ways to either side of power lines, and of course, the commercial land management contractors. In order to meet the needs of this widely varying customer base, Diamond has designed the Pro and the Pro X brush cutters. We have a separate video that dives deeper into the differences between these products, but at a high level, the Pro was designed to be the top performing brush cutters for less demanding applications. Meanwhile, the Pro X, with its massive 10-inch cut capacity, will exceed the expectations of even the most demanding commercial customers. All of the design elements that we're about to talk about apply to both the Pro and the Pro X. Diamond uses domestically manufactured hydraulic motors for their efficiency and durability. In fact, the same top quality motors are used on both the Pro and the Pro X products. With 4 different motor options sized to match up to your loader's flow, Diamond brush cutters ensure the blade speed is fast enough to provide a great quality cut, but not so fast that the cutting assembly is at risk. Those competitors who simply offer a high flow and a low flow option can't make the same claim. There are inherent compromises at both the top and the bottom end of a 2-motor product offering. All Diamond brush cutters use a direct drive spindle. These spindles rely on a solid shaft held in place by oversized bearings. All this is lubricated in an oil bath, which means there are no grease points on a Diamond brush cutter. The only scheduled maintenance is an annual oil change, which means you can hook up and go whenever you have a job to do. Diamond blade carriers are formed from 1-inch thick plate steel, which is then cut and machined to ensure smooth, balanced operation. Next, hardened steel inserts are threaded and secured in the plate steel. These hardened inserts are specifically designed to withstand the twisting and impacts from the blade bolts. They can also be replaced if they wear out, which is very unlikely. This design allows us to place an unprecedented 5-year warranty on the Pro X's Tri-Hex disc. All Diamond skid steer brush cutters come with 5/8-inch thick blades which feature a dogleg design that protects the head of the blade bolt from rocks and other dangerous impacts. Protecting that blade bolt is critical to safe operation. Some of our competitors use flat knives and a round blade carrier which sometimes feature carbide stump cutters. We chose to stay away from that design for a couple reasons. First, when we were talking with customers, we heard over and over again that those carbide cutters break off, particularly in rocky fields. By using a beveled skid shoe that allows the operator to lean the head forward to flush cut stumps, we're able to leave a clean work site without the added complexity and expense of those carbide cutters. Second, the blades are no longer the lowest piece of rotating equipment. That means that the blade carrier, or the disc, takes significantly more abuse than the Diamond design. Let's take a few minutes to talk about pairing a brush cutter to a skid steer or CTL. We'll use the word loader from here on out to describe them all. First and foremost, your loader has to be equipped with a 1/2-inch thick polycarbonate front door or windshield. The severe duty doors available through the OEMs are definitely adequate, but they're really expensive. To that end, Diamond has replacement front doors for most loaders available at 1/3 of the price. Come see us at diamondmowers.com and go to the parts page to learn more. Once we know the operator is safe, we need to consider 3 factors: width, weight, and hydraulic flow. Generally speaking, you'll want a brush cutter that is at least as wide as your track or tire width if you're planning to do any mowing. If you're just planning to work on brush and trees, this is less important, and a narrower head can actually be easier to maneuver between obstacles and standing trees. Select an attachment that is lighter weight than your loader's rated lift capacity. If you're working on steep or soft terrain, you'll probably want to go lighter yet. Being a long attachment, a brush cutter has a greater impact on stability than other, shorter equipment. Finally, we need to consider hydraulic flow. If your loader is optioned with high flow, select a brush cutter that matches up with that higher flow. If your loader doesn't have high flow, we think you'll be pleasantly surprised at how much you can get done on standard flow. In fact, most of the brush cutters we sell are attached to standard flow machines with great results. Visit your local Diamond dealer or check us out at diamondmowers.com to learn more about these versatile, durable, and cost-effective tools.